Hi everyone. So today we're going to be looking at how to calculate percentage increase and decrease. That will link into a couple of things that we'll look at in the last couple of weeks of term. So to work out percentage change, whether it's increase or decrease, you want to use this formula here. Okay, so that formula is to work out the percentage change. We do the final number minus the original number divided by the original number times 100. Okay, so by the final number, I mean the number after the percentage, after the increase or decrease. By the original number, I mean the number before the increase or decrease, and yeah, that's the original number as well. Then multiply that by 100. What I would recommend you do is quickly pause and write down that formula so that when we look at the worked examples, you can pause them and try and work them out yourselves as well. So pause and then write down this formula, please. Okay, so we're going to look at a worked example, this one looking at percentage increase, so percentage going up. So for this, in 2007, the population of Melbourne was estimated to be 3,805,000, and estimates reckon by 2056 it will be 6,789,000. So using that formula, I want you to try and work out what the percentage increase is predicted to be. Just to help you with the formula, as well, in this example, the 6,789,000, that is the final number, and the 3,805,000 is your original number. So pause that, put it into the formula, and see if you get it right. Okay, so if you do that, you should have found out the answer was a 78.4 increase once you round it from 2007 to 2056, meaning the city is growing by 78.4% of its population in that time. Okay. So we can also use this formula to look at percentage decrease when a value drops. So, and we just use the exact same formula, we'll just get a negative number indicating that a decrease has occurred. So I've got a worked example here, and I'm using the AFL as an example. So I've put that in 2019, so pre-COVID, the average AFL attendance was 36,317 per game. But in 2020, due to COVID, that was down to 6,377 per game, because obviously a lot of games were played with no crowds at all, and then even when they brought the crowds back, they were smaller. So we're going to use that to work out the percentage decrease. So once again, you just want to put it into the formula that you hopefully have written down. So as a reminder, in this, your original number is 36,317, and your final number is 6,377. So quickly try to work that out. So hopefully what you should have got, putting that in, putting the numbers in, you should have found out that ends up as negative 82.4%, meaning the crowds were 82.4% smaller than they were in the previous year. Okay, so you're going to do a few questions today, almost entirely looking at percentage increase and decrease. So just a reminder, that is the formula you need to use. You want to do your final number minus your original number divided by your original number, and then multiply it by 100. If you get a negative number, that shows a percentage decrease occurring. If it's positive, that shows a percentage increase occurring. Okay, good luck with the work.